Hello boys and girls, this week we're going to be doing lots of practice of our 2D shapes and our 3D shapes. Yesterday we were practicing all about our 2D shapes, so we were thinking about squares and rectangles, circles and triangles, but from now on for the next few days we're going to be thinking about 3D shapes. So I'm going to give you a little clue as to what today's shape is, okay? So got a few things here. Wonder can you remember what this 3D shape is called? Some lovely custard and toilet roll holder. They're all a certain 3D shape, okay? So I'm going to just show you a wee video next and I'll explain more about the shape and I'll also tell you the name to see whether or not you were right.
Properties of cylinders. Cylinders are a type of 3D shape. You probably have lots of cylinders at home. Cylinders can be any size, but they all have the same properties. Cylinders have two flat circular faces. Cylinders have one curved face. And they all have two curved edges, but cylinders don't have any vertices.
So hopefully you watched that little video about 3D shapes and you realise that that shape is a cylinder, that's right. So the difference between a 2D shape that we were looking at yesterday, for example a circle or a triangle, and a 3D shape like today's is that when you have a 3D shape like a cylinder, it's not flat. If you were to set a circle on the table compared to this, the circle would be flat, but this isn't, okay? So that's the main difference between a 2D shape and a 3D shape, okay? So for today's activity, I want you to go around your house, okay, and I want you to see if you can find 10 things, okay, so you might want to write them on a whiteboard, you might want to do a little checklist. I want you to see if you can find 10 things that are a cylinder, okay, so I've given you a wee bit of help. You might want to look in your fridge or in your kitchen. That's always a good place to start when you're thinking about cylinders, okay. Now the second thing is I'm going to read out a little riddle or a little poem, okay, it's going to give you some clues about a shape, okay. Now it's not going to be a cylinder, or it might not be a cylinder. It might be a shape that we thought about yesterday, but I'm going to give you some clues and I want you to see whether you can figure out what shape it is from my clues. Okay, what shape am I? I am a 2D shape, so that reminds us that it's a flat shape. I have 4 sides. These 4 sides are all the same size. What shape am I? You might want to draw it in the air with me. Yeah, so if you said it was a square, then fantastic, really, really well done. Okay, the last one, okay, I'm going to give you some clues about this one, okay? You need to listen and think about it really, really carefully. Okay, so I am a 3D shape. I have 3 faces. 2 of my faces are circles, and my third face is a curved face that kind of goes round and round. If you were to put me on the floor, I would probably start to roll. What shape am I? Okay, well done if you said a cylinder. We were just thinking about those. So the first one was a square and the second one was a cylinder. So really well done if you got those. Now remember, I want you to go around the house and find 10 objects that are cylinders also, and then we'll come back tomorrow and think about another 3D shape. Okay? Speak to you tomorrow, boys and girls. Bye.